This question is asking us to solve a system of equations, which is pretty common on the ACT. It says, when solving the following system, what is the value of x? And we have y equals 1/2 x minus 4 and x plus 2y equals 6. You have options for how to solve systems. You can do so using substitution, elimination, or by graphing. And depending on how you're given the information, one is usually easier than the other. In this case, I noticed that one of the variables, y, is already isolated. So usually when that's the situation, you can use substitution. So what we're going to do is replace y in this equation with what we know y equals. And we know that y is equal to 1/2 x minus 4. And so we're just going to substitute that into the second equation for y. So showing that, it looks like this. X plus 2y, but y is 1/2 x minus 4. So we just substituted that in for y, and then it still is equal to 6. The advantage to doing this is, if you notice, and we'll simplify this in a second, but it just puts the equation in terms of one variable. All we have left is x, and that's extra convenient in this case because we're trying to solve for x. So let's show this out. We have x plus, this 2 distributes into our parentheses here, so 2 times 1/2 x is just x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and that's all equal to 6. Combining like terms on the left, 1x plus 1x is 2x, so now 2x minus 8 is equal to 6. We're just trying to solve for or isolate x, so let's add 8 to both sides of the equation, and that gives us 2x is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. Last step to get x by itself, it's being multiplied by 2, so to undo that, we'll divide both sides by 2. That leaves us with x is equal to 7. So after substituting in and solving for x, we get x is equal to 7, and we can find that in selection E.